The evolution of bioplastics has come a long way as consumers worldwide demand a lower environmental impact from the production, disposal and resource recovery of products made from plastics. Bioplastics are a family of plastics that are biodegradable, bio-based in origin, or both. Biodegradable plastics are those that can be metabolized by microbes to produce water, carbon dioxide and biomass. The uses for bioplastics are those typically where biodegradation at the end of product life is a desirable property. Compostable waste bags, for example, used for collection, transport and disposal of organic food waste to industrial composters, provide the means for organic food waste to be collected and transported hygienically to composters and thus diverted from landfill. Biodegradable mulch films used for horticulture production can be simply ploughed into the soil at its end of life and be fully metabolized by microbes. On the other hand, conventional plastic mulch films at their end of life are a site hazard and have to be laboriously picked up and disposed of. Food packaging material such as disposable cups, plates and flexible wrappers can be discarded together with food waste for collection and transport to composters. Bioplastics have a significantly lower environmental footprint compared with conventional plastics. Organic foodstuffs and organic waste diverted from landfill sites to composters save significantly on the generation of methane and other greenhouse gases. Compostable waste disposal bags used for the collection, transport and disposal of organic waste make this diversion from landfill possible. These compostable bags also allow for the hygienic separation of organic waste at the source, whether in the home, commercial premises, public venues or industrial processor, as they can be co-mingled in the composting process. This illustration demonstrates the biodegradation process when certified compostable plastic bags are metabolized by microbes. Together with the organic waste, these certified compostable plastic bags are consumed in the compost heap by microbes. Nothing will remain except nutrient-rich humus, water and carbon dioxide. Other types of bags also claim to be compostable, but are they really? So-called oxo-degradable bags simply fragment into smaller pieces and cannot be metabolized by microbes or biodegrade under industrial composting conditions. Therefore, they are not certified as compostable according to Australian Standard 4736/2006. Polyethylene bags, the most common type of plastic bag, should never end up in the compost. They do not decompose and remain a contaminant of the composting process. The Australasian Bioplastics Association is the peak industry body for manufacturers, converters and distributors of bioplastic products and materials throughout Australia and New Zealand. The association represents members in the promotion of and advocacy for members' products and materials. The association is dedicated to promoting plastics that are biodegradable, compostable and based on renewable resources. The ABA also administers a verification scheme for members and non-members for compliance to the Australian standards AS 4736/2006, biodegradable plastics suitable for composting and other microbial treatment, AS 5810/2010, biodegradable plastics suitable for home composting. Membership to the ABA is open and stakeholders are encouraged to join and share in a unique range of benefits and business opportunities. For membership details, visit our website. Verification of bioplastic products enables the supply chain and consumers to easily identify that a product has been independently tested as meeting the requirements of the appropriate Australian standard. Simply look for the corresponding logo. The seedling logo, commercial composting, compliant to AS 4736/2006, and the home composting logo, compliant to AS 5810/2010. Products displaying these Australasian Bioplastics logos, together with a valid license number, are verified to the relevant standard. These are the genuine articles. There is a register of license holders updated regularly on the ABA website. Looking for these logos is an easy way of knowing that you are getting what you paid for. If the product you are considering does not display this proof of identity, then perhaps the question should be asked, why not? For commercial composters, it is important to note that Bioplastics verified to either AS 4736-2006 or AS 5810-2010 are expected to comfortably compost in the same conditions required to produce mature compost as defined in AS 4454-2012. Composts, soil conditioners and mulches. Some composters producing composted product may also successfully compost AS 4736-2006 and AS 5810-2010 certified materials. The Australasian Bioplastics logo verification scheme operates throughout Australia and New Zealand. You must first make an application to the ABA for product verification. The applicant's product must then undergo testing at an ABA-approved laboratory. The laboratory reports and test results are then reviewed by an independent technical auditor to establish conformance with the Australian standard. A certificate of conformance, the issuing of logo, together with a unique license number, is then forwarded to successful applicants upon payment of the prescribed fee. You need not be an ABA member to apply for verification of your product's conformance with the Australian standards. All compostable plastics are biodegradable by definition. However, not all biodegradable plastics are compostable. The logos show which end-of-life option is best for the product. Referring to these logos is good practice for companies wishing to substantiate biodegradable and compostable claims. The ACCC has published clear guidelines on what constitutes biodegradable and compostable and how to avoid making false and misleading claims. To be certain of a product's claim, look for the relevant logo. The Australasian Bioplastics logos are available for use by both packaging material producers and their customers. The logos can be printed on the finished product, for example films, injection mouldings and bags, to confirm a product's compliance to the Australian standard. Bioplastics have a much lower environmental impact than conventional plastics, and they are making a difference on how we care for our planet. The use of compostable plastics for the separation, collection, transport and disposal of organic waste for composting makes good sense. Composted material diverted from landfill saves on landfill real estate, methane production and greenhouse gas emissions. Composted organic matter yields inert CO2 gas, water and rich humus byproduct for release in soils. And compostable bioplastics diverted from renewable feedstock saves on fossil fuels. Compostable bioplastics are ecologically friendly, save non-renewable resources, and promote environmentally responsible waste management practices at home, in industry, now and for the future.